today. I am Olivier, Managing Director at Nowtech. We specialized in advanced communication solutions for organizations of all sizes and sectors. We've been partners with Zoom since 2015, and since 2021, we've been offering Zoom Phone as part of our solutions. With over 20 years of industry experience, we've seen many technologies come and go, but Zoom has remained a constant force in innovation. Its cloud telephony solution, Zoom Phone, demonstrated one of Zoom's most prominent mottos: it just works. Before we get started, just a bit of housekeeping. This is a webinar format, so while you can see and hear us, we cannot see and hear you. If you have any question during the session, please use the Q&A button on the toolbar, and we will do our best to respond. If you like to follow along with subtitle, you can click the CC closed captioning button to see the conversation in real time. Joining me today is Benoit Grosso from Zoom. Benoit is a Zoom Phone specialist. Thank you very much, Benoit, for joining us today. Benoit, over to you.
Thank you, Olivier. Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to be with you all today, and thank you, Olivier, for giving me a chance to present Zoom Phone and our services. Today, we're going to deep dive into something that is transforming how organizations are communicating and operating together. It's Zoom Phone. It's not just about making calls. It's about giving your teams the tool that they need to sell more, produce faster, and deliver better. And that's what we're going to be sharing and showing you today. Let me start with sharing my screen. So here is the agenda of the day. We're going to start with a very quick introduction about the Zoom platform and some words about Zoom Phone. Then we will see how Zoom Phone can simplify your core business and your processes. And finally, we're going to dig and understand how it empowers organizations from sales, production, to delivery teams with real-world impact for your business. So let's take a look at the platform itself. That's the vision of the Zoom platform. You all know us about our meeting service, and we're very well known for that. But as Olivier was saying in the introduction, we're doing plenty of additional services, including, of course, Zoom Phone. What is interesting in this platform is the overall vision of it, which is supported by AI at each element of the platform. Each solution has AI integrated, and we're delivering plenty of elements such as productivity solutions, employee engagement solution, space management solution, customer service solutions, sales solution, and we're going to discuss about it later on, and marketing solutions. We know that we are evolving in an existing ecosystem, so we've got APIs open with plenty of other technologies. Let's go now into the Zoom Phone solution itself. We try to deliver a platform that is simple to manage, that optimize the way you work with your people, you work with external elements. Our platform is here to empower the modern workforce on a day-to-day basis. And we're trying to help people be confident with the telephony services to improve the employee experience and the customer experience. We've got any kind of features that is required in a phone system. So, I mean, comparing a telephony service to any solution on the market today with Zoom Phone, we can deliver any kind of subjects. What we're trying to position in front of that is adding additional solution to make it easy to communicate internally and to improve customer experience. We've built the platform with a three-way of delivering the Zoom phone service. First of all, we are a carrier, so it's Zoom phone native, and we're delivering numbers in 46 countries worldwide. Second element is that the premise peering is where we're going to be connecting with your carrier in country and or your PBX on site, and we're going to play between different elements of what is on-prem and what is in the cloud. Zoom in the cloud, and we're connecting with your carrier through an SBC. And the third approach is a cloud peering, where we've got in the cloud some interconnections between your carriers and the Zoom service, so that you've got a totally cloud platform, but keeping your relationship with your carrier. As I've said, we're covering plenty of countries in the world, and here is the list of all the different countries we can support, including Israel, with our, of course, with our PSTN services in countries. What I've decided today is to share with you in the different processes of an organization, from sales to manufacturing to distribution, how Zoom Phone can deliver value and support you improving the way your processes are working in the day-to-day activity. Let's get into...
So Benoit, with regard to the sales, it's a great challenge for many sales leaders and sales managers to organize their sales and to meet their targets. So tell us a little bit how Zoom Phone can help us to reach our targets.
Yeah, of course. So as you said, main elements regarding for the sales organization is reaching target for sales, getting prepared for calls, have visibility for the managers, and of course be able to have one tool that is addressing all the communication tools, so communication streams within the company. And that's where Zoom Phone has an added value, and the value proposal of Zoom Phone as an added value for sales team. Because working with AI Companion, for example, AI Companion that I guess we've been sharing with your organization, and we're going to be discussing later, is our AI capabilities. That is working with Zoom Phone, so that you can have a generative AI before a call to help your sales prepare their calls. And in addition to that, Zoom Phone has AI Companion included into it, so that you can have a transcript of any calls, and so that you don't have to take notes, and all is taken automatically. We can help people with one solution that is enhanced, which is Zoom Phone including on the mobile. That is helping with one number and one reach to have all sales able to communicate with their customers, with one tool that is very efficient. We've got CRM integrations with, for example, Monday, with, for example, HubSpot, with, for example, Salesforce, where all the different iteration that your sales organization is doing with their customer, that is automatically logged into Salesforce. So we've got any CRM, so that all the tools and all the communications are logged, and you know what's happening. So what we're doing here is working with the right integrations, with the right solutions to help your sales being all prepared for any kind of interaction with the customer. Let's focus on Revenue Accelerator. Revenue Accelerator is one great solution that is linked to Zoom Meeting and Zoom Phone, that is powered by AI, able to analyze a call and understand what's happening, what are the main elements that needs to be discussed, that are discussed, and that's going to deliver some coaching elements for the sales rep to improve the communication he or she is doing with its customers. That's going to support as well, Revenue Accelerator is supporting as well the managers to have deeper understanding of what's happening with each customers and deliver the good values in front of it. Then what is discovered is that most of the time sales, and in fact it's a Gartner study that is saying that sales are spending more than 70% outside of customer discussions. So doing additional stuff, administrative things that are not sales related. With a revenue accelerator, we can support the sales, not taking notes during meetings, but having the tool itself taking notes on his behalf, and automatically get into the CRM tool, automatically bring in value and deliver tasks, post-meeting tasks, so that sales organization can be focused on discussing with customers.
I can confirm the sales accelerator is a great way to improve ourselves, to improve our team, and automatically to get the analytic of our calls and trying to be better each time and every call one after the other. So it's a great tool. I recommend.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So now that we discuss about the sales, how Zoom Phone can help the sales team, how it can serve all of the part of the companies, and so what about the production part, the production team?
So exactly, once the product is sold, then it needs to be at some point built and delivered. So what we've been discussing with customers is most of the time we've got quality assurance managers that are firefighting in order to get the communication working well in the organization. Some of them are missing calls. Some notes are lost. When we've got some flows with approvals, some approvals are crawling. And most of the time, the longer it takes to resolve, the higher risk it is for the company to deliver the right product to their customers. That's where Zoom Phone is, value proposal of Zoom Phone with the different tools of Zoom is fixing the different kind of issue that we've been discussing. First of all, as I said before, Zoom Phone plus AI Companion is just taking notes, helping people to communicate the best way with the right features and all that. Then we've got some additional tools that are like Zoom Docs that are helping people to build elements together. And with Zoom Docs on one side in a Zoom Phone call, then you can discuss on the same document and work together. We've got the Power Pack solution as well, which is our advanced telephony solution included in Zoom Phone that is helping people to understand exactly what's happening in the flows and what's happening in the way people are communicating in the company. So with a single communication hub for instance access, with priority messages that are flagged automatically, the fact that we can deliver AI summaries within calls, and we can work with the workflows to create some tasks behind it and work directly with the people, then we've got everything in hands to streamline process, deliver faster resolution, and of course, then it comes to AI Companion, as I said, because I discussed about the fact that AI Companion was used. As a matter of fact, we've got AI Companion integrated with plenty of different, as I said before, plenty of different elements of the Zoom platform. And within the telephony service, we can activate AI Companion so that we've got all that is inside the different discussion that can be summarized with AI Companion. I can ask my AI Companion in a call, what are the main subjects that have been discussed by my team, by the customer? What are the next steps that needs to be discussed? So it's helping me to summarize and make active and efficient action tasks in front of the different issues or processes that I'm covering.
Yeah, so we saw it's Zoom Phone is much more than just a phone. It's so much, and it's really making a phone call is really different of using the complete platform and the level that we can get. and services and more impact that we can have in our day-to-day activity. So we've discussed about the sales, we've discussed about the production people, and now we are in the warehouse. So how the warehouse is acting, how Zoom Phone is acting into the warehouse segment in the company.
So we've got very good sales. We've got quite a good. I mean, we in our ideal organization have got very good sales on one side. We've got a manufacturing team that is working very well. So most of the time, we've got dozens of orders to process. We've got plenty of actions to do. A CRM that is very well organized. So, question is, how do we manage updates? How do we get sure that our customers are not getting impatient? That how things are working well? Well, Zoom Phone can deliver some elements here as well. Once again, AI companion with Zoom Phone is helping to get notes and get every element regarding updates, all communication flows. In addition to that, we've got some elements around Faxi that can be linked to Zoom, messages like team chat, emails, everything is linked into one app, which is Zoom app. So all tools are into one, all solutions are into one tool that is supporting the communication of the business. We can work with all the different elements. We can deliver real-time visibility into what's happening, instant communication for the teams, and simplification of the processes so that everybody is on the same page to provide the best service. And that's where we pushed our brand new solution, which is Frontline Worker, that is linked to Zoom Phone at some point, and it's been launched in April this year. This Frontline Worker is a tool that we're giving to our customers, with a new solution for the people that are in frontline, like, for example, in a retail business, cashiers, in the distribution business, logistic people, in the manufacturing or in the healthcare, and some nurse people that are able to communicate with one tool that is on the mobile. So you've got some illustration of the mobile elements here. Sorry, that are on the mobile directly, and on the mobile they can manage team chat, some calls, some push to talk being the ability to communicate with someone or with a group just in pushing a button. Some shift management so that you can know just in a retail shop. If in the morning you are in the logistic activity and in the afternoon you are in the cash line, then you can know how your shift is organized. You can know who you're going to be working with. So it's getting all the different elements of the day-to-day activities in the delivery services into one application. And that's simplifying the way people are going to be communicating as a frontline. To summarize, we're able to support people from the sales to the distribution, including the manufacturing part, with Zoom Phone and the around services of Zoom combined into one solution. What is great is that our platform is very simple to implement and simple to manage. We are able to deliver some solutions in plenty of countries. It's very easy to roll out, very easy to manage, and it's very simple for both admin and users to use and to benefit from. And as I said, we can integrate with plenty of tools so that we can integrate our platform into your ecosystem, into your different ecosystems based on what you currently have today in terms of solutions.
Okay, Benoit. I can really see the this Zoom phone is a really part of the is a big part of the ecosystem, and it's really some many features, shows and solutions show the innovation of Zoom. Just Frontline that was just launched lately is really going to revolutionize part of the of some vertical market, and we can't wait to try it and to use it. So thank you very much for this presentation. It was very useful. I invite you, our audience, to contact us. We will send you a copy of this webinar, and we invite us to test and to ask questions and to use our products and to test them for POC or other way to discover them. And thank you very much, everybody, to join us for this webinar.
Thank you very much.